Rule of law. No administrative authority is above the law. Every government action must have clear legal backing and cannot be based on arbitrary personal whims. The concept of the rule of law, popularized by A.V. Dicey, forms the bedrock of administrative law. It mandates that governance must be conducted according to established legal rules, not arbitrary individual will. Dicey's three core postulates: supremacy of law, absolute power of regular law, absence of arbitrary executive power, equality before law. No one is above the law. Ordinary citizens and government officials are subject to the same ordinary courts. Predominance of legal spirit. Rights are protected through judicial enforcement. Constitutional framework in India. Article 14. Equality before law and protection against arbitrary state action. Article 19. Protection of core freedoms against unreasonable restrictions. Article 21. Deprivation of life or personal liberty must follow a procedure that is just, fair, and reasonable. Articles 32 and 226. Constitutional writ remedies to enforce legal limits on the administration. Key case laws. Somraj v. State of Haryana. Administrative discretion must be regulated and guided by law, not uncontrolled personal discretion. Menka Gandhi v. Union of India. 1978. Any administrative procedure must be fair, just, and reasonable to satisfy Articles 14 and 21. Indira Nehru Gandhi v. Raj Narain. 1975. The rule of law is part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution and cannot be abrogated, even by constitutional amendment.